Hey kids, have you seen an ant hill? Have you seen a trail of ants? Let me tell you an interesting fact. Ants, just like us, live in groups or colonies. An ant colony is just like a family. Ants work as a team. They produce baby ants, fetch food, and build their homes just like us. Ants also communicate to each other in their own special language called ant language. Scientists wanted to know if ants work in teams, they must be communicating to each other. To find out, they carried out an experiment. They put a nail into the ceiling, a piece of string was tied to the nail. At the end of the string was a jar of sweet jam. Ants love sweet things. Then an ant was placed on the jar to see whether it would tell other ants about the food. After inspecting the jar of jam, the ant left. A trail of ants then appeared and walked right to the string and into the jar of sweet jam. Scientists have found that ants secrete special chemicals in the form of scent. The other ants smell the chemicals and follow the trail. This is how the other ants found the jar of sweet jam. The first ant led the trail of chemicals as it walked back home. This trail showed the other ants the way to the food. The scientists also found that ants do not talk like humans, but they do communicate to each other in different ways.